I'm Brian Hillstead from Muhlenberg Green Architects. We're here at the Conrad Weiser Area School District, where we have been architects of record for the school district for approximately 30 years. We've done a variety of projects for the district, most of their buildings. Projects I've worked on have been the high school roof and some of the interior modifications. And recently we have completed the lighting and stadium turf upgrade at the high school. And I'm going to introduce my associate, the associate of the firm, Jim Sarro, to talk about the turf.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Here we are, like Brian said, the Conrad Weiser Area School District Stadium. This project involved replacement of the natural grass surface with a new artificial turf surface. You can see it's been laid out. There's multiple lines on here, multiple colors. It's available for multiple sports: soccer, lacrosse, football. There's several different sports that are going to be played on here throughout the year. Part of the project involved as well reconfiguration of the drainage underneath the turf, the reconfiguration of the drainage trench along the existing track, as well as the goalposts were replaced. The track is existing. We did not replace that. We had to have precautions in place to not damage it while we were doing this work. And as you can see by the videos, I think it turned out great. The school district is happy, and I hope some of you or your children safely enjoy and play on this turf.